Hello students, continuing with the previous chapter lesson 8 Introduction to Python. In this video I will explain Python's interactive shell and order of operations used in Python. Let's begin our topic. Python's interactive shell. The easiest way to get started is to run Python as an interpreter, that is known as interactive shell, which behaves similar to the way one would use a calculator. In the interpreter, you type a command and Python produces the answer. Then you type next command which produces answer and so on. Interactive mode is a command line shell which gives immediate feedback output for each statement. Here on screen, the 3 greater than sign is the prompt telling that IDLE is waiting for you to type something. Here IDLE stands for Integrated Development and Learning Environment. Enter 2 plus 2 at the prompt to instruct Python to do some simple mathematics. The plus sign tells the computer to add the number 2 and 2. Here you can see 2 is value and plus sign shows the operator. Here 2 plus 2 is evaluated down to a single value 4, and a single value with the no operator is also considered as expression, though it evaluates only to itself as shown here as 2. There are plenty of other operators you can use in Python expressions. Following table lists all the math operators in Python. Math operators from highest to lowest precedence. First shows exponent. First operator is exponent. Here example is 2 exponent 3. Result is 8. 2 into 2 into 2. Result is 8. And second is modulus, means remainder. We can also say remainder. 22 modulus 8. Answer is 6. Here remainder show 6. Next operator is integer division, or we can say float quotient. 22 integer division 8, result will display 2. Only integer part of answer will display here. Next is division. 22 divided by 8. Here integer plus fractional part of the answer is also be displayed. Next, multiplication, subtraction and addition. Now order of operations. Order of operations, also called operator precedence, is a set of rules specifying which procedures should be performed first in a given mathematical expression. Students, in math we follow rules of BODMAS, but in Python we follow the rules of PEDMAS. PEDMAS stand for Please Excuse My Dear Aunt Sally. Here P represent the parenthesis, E exponent, M multiplication, D division, A aunt addition, and Sally subtraction. Next, students, in computer asterisk is used for multiplication. This is sign of star. If we want to multiply 2 by 5, then in computer we will type 2 asterisk sign then 5. All these type of expressions you can try in your computer by using Python interactive shell. Next is using integer division or a float operator. And division always returns a float, so to get an integer result, discarding any fractional result, you should use the floor operator, and to calculate the remainder you can use modulus. Examples are given here. Rest of the topic I will cover in next video. Thank you.